Siri interrupts reporter during live weather forecast. Disagrees with her Apple's voice-based assistant Siri recently interrupted meteorologist Tomasz Schafernaker during a live weather forecast broadcast on BBC when he was sharing a weather forecast for snowfall in Minneapolis and Denver in the U.S. Siri, which got activated on his Apple Watch, said, "There's no snow in the forecast. It probably doesn't know what place I'm talking about," Thomas replied. Underwater speakers could trick fish into restoring damaged corals. New research from an international team of scientists claimed that playing the sounds of healthy reefs could draw young fish to Australia's recently devastated Great Barrier Reef. The study found that broadcasting healthy reef sounds doubled the total number of fish. Scientists said this acoustic enrichment could be a valuable tool in helping to restore damaged coral reefs. SC asks XRSS activist to drop case against WhatsApp over Pegasus spyware. The Supreme Court on Monday asked former RSS activist Notts Govindacharya to withdraw his petition seeking substantial measures against WhatsApp following the Pegasus spyware debacle. He had sought action against WhatsApp on the grounds that the messenger claims that there is end-to-end encryption on its app. The Apex Court urged that the matter should first go to the High Court. HDFC Bank customers unable to access online banking due to technical glitch. Several HDFC Bank customers took to Twitter on Monday after being unable to access online banking services for hours due to a technical glitch. Customers are having trouble logging into our net banking and mobile banking app, the bank tweeted. The bank's online banking platform kept displaying the message, "The net banking system is busy processing heavy load from currently logged-in customers." Black Friday sees record $7.4 billion in online sales in U.S. $2.9 billion using phones. Consumers in the U.S. on Friday spent $7.4 billion buying goods online via computers, tablets and smartphones, according to analytics from Adobe. It added $2.9 billion of the sales took place through smartphones. The total figure was up by $1.2 billion on Black Friday 2018 but fell short of Adobe's prediction of $7.5 billion.